We adopted Jonas from the Washington Humane Society on September 24, 2013. He was 9 months old. Today, December 19, 2013, is his first birthday. For the past 3 months, he has been nothing but a joy and a little stinker. As you can see, I have invited 3 of his best friends to his birthday party. I will be back in a few moments with Jonas as we let him in to see his gifts. Unfortunately, we had to do this in the foyer area because we didn't want gifts and papers thrown all over the house. So we will be unlocking the gate and let Jonas in to see his gifts. I wanted you to see them while they were still intact. Okay, we're back with Jonas, sitting at the gate. We're going to let him in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Jonas. Come on, see? Come on. Come on, look. Look. Come on, I know there's something in here you want to get into. Look. Look, Jonas, look. Look. Come on. Come on. I can't believe him. Come on. Jonas. No, he didn't lay down. Jonas, come get your gifts. Look. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, look. Want to tear this up? Come on. Come on. If it was something I didn't want him to touch, he'd tear it open. Come on, Jonas. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Jonas, please come open your gifts. Come on. Oh, look what we have here. Oh, look. Good mommy guy. Come on. You want that? Come on, get that. Come on. Jonas. Come on, please. Mommy don't have all day. Come on. Jonas. Look. Look. Come on, open. See. Come on, see what's in there for you. Oh, boy. Jonas, look. Want this? Come on. Come on. Get that. Come on. Come on, Jonas. Good boy. Come on. Jonas. Jonas, look. You like these? I bet you'll come for one of these. Yeah, I like them, Mommy. Come on. Jonas, it's your birthday. Come on. Let me open the door. That always gets you out. Want to go out? Want to go out? Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Jonas, we don't have all day. Come on, open your gifts. Well, Mommy's going to have to help him. See? Look. I'm sure he'll want the paper. Jonas, look. Mommy, what is that? Yeah, I want that one, Mommy. No, 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 no. Come on, keep your kids out here, come on. I forgot to shut the gate. this one. Look. You see, you got a piece of paper. Get your gifts. Jonas, don't just sit there. Jonas, look at your gifts. Aren't you excited? Look. I assure you these things will be scattered all over my living room in a little while. I think he's overwhelmed. He doesn't know what's going on here. Well, happy birthday, Jonas.